In this guide, we'll show you how to watch new submission in Make.com using FillFaster. So first we choose the FillFaster app. Then we get the trigger, Watch New Form Submissions. Add new webhook. Then save. When we get the new webhook, we should copy it to the clipboard. Then we can choose the relevant form from the list. Now the first thing we do is go to the dashboard, then edit the form that we want to get submissions from. In the form builder, scroll down and paste the webhook URL in the webhook on submission field. Then continue to the builder and update the form. Now that the form is updated, we can go back to Make. From now on, all the new submissions will trigger this webhook. If we want to get a data from the webhook and the submitted PDF, follow this. So to get the PDF, go to FillFaster app, then choose Get the Submission PDF module. And here you can see all the data coming from the webhook. So in this case, we need the submission ID. But you can also see all the data that we've received. This data is from the form you choose in the Watch Submission module. And you get to the user data if you set it. And other data like form ID, form name, submission link. In this case, we want the file, so we select the submission ID. That's it. From here, you will get the PDF as a make file, and you can use it in other modules in the scenario. Let's do a quick example. Let's say we want to send this file. So it's shown in the next module already. You can also change the file name to whatever you want. And you can also use the data from the webhook, and we can also use all the submission data. You can also update your CRM accordingly, using the user ID or whatever you set it in advance. That's it.